Why do some men mainly show anger as an emotion? It starts from childhood. A little boy falls down and cries, and instead of asking, "Are you okay?" we tell him, "Chup ho jao, ladke nahi rote."
लड़के रोते नहीं हैं।
It sounds gentle, but what it teaches is harsh. That feeling pain is not okay. Expressing emotions makes you weak, and slowly he learns whatever you feel, just suppress it. फिर आते हैं टीनेज ईयर्स, जहाँ वो दुनिया से सीखने लगते हैं कि रियल में कैसे होते हैं और फिल्मों में क्या दिखाया जाता है। हीरो अपसेट है, हर्ट है, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, ही शट्स डाउन. He doesn't communicate, he doesn't process, he just reacts. He yells, he breaks things, he walks away instead of working through it. Take Kabir Singh for example. Heartbroken and emotionally shattered. But instead of choosing reflection or healing, he turns to rage. Screaming, drinking, hurting himself and others. कहीं ना कहीं उस गुस्से को ग्लोरीफाई किया जाता है. पीपल कंफ्यूज हिज इमोशनली इनस्टेबिलिटी विद पैशन एंड लेबल हिज डिस्ट्रक्टिवनेस एज मैस्कुलिनिटी. जो लड़के ये सब देख रहे होते हैं वो ये मैसेज अब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं, मे बी दिस इज द राइट वे, यही रियल मर्द का रिएक्शन होता होगा. देन कम्स अडल्टहुड, द प्रेशर टू बिल्ड अ करियर, टू सेटल डाउन, टू अर्न एंड टू टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीवन. But what about the inside? There's stress, anxiety, confusion, and the biggest pressure to stay in control all the time. As a psychologist, I can tell you anger is not always about ego. Most of the time, it's about helplessness. That feelings of things slipping out of your control at work, at home, in life. And when you can't understand what's going on inside you, when you have never been taught how to express it, it all comes out as anger, often directed at someone who didn't deserve it. And then we say, why are you overreacting to something so small? लेकिन सच तो ये है, ये सिर्फ उस मोमेंट की बात नहीं होती, ये उन सारी बातों का वेट होता है जो वो सालों से छुपा के अपने अंदर रखते हैं. वो सारी बातें जो कभी कहने दी नहीं गई, वो सारे इमोशंस जो कभी फील करने की परमिशन नहीं मिली. तो अगले बार जब कोई आदमी गुस्से में लगे, ये मत पूछना what happened today. Ask what have you been holding in for all these years. How about we start taking men's mental health seriously? How about we start having real conversations with them without mocking, without shutting them down? It's time we create space for men to open up, to feel safe being vulnerable, and to express what they have kept buried for years. Because healing begins the moment someone feels heard.